Hey guys, we are on week 9 of my 12-week challenge. 3 weeks to go. 75% of the way through. 3/4 of the way through. It's actually gone by pretty quickly. I'm kind of surprised that it has gone this fast, which means I will be 42 in 3 weeks. Well, 3 weeks from yesterday, because I did it again. I went to bed last night and went, oh my gosh, I didn't post a video. So here we are. And let's see, so 3 weeks, my birthday, but what's coming up before then is my 4-mile race on July 4th. July 4th, 4 miles. So I am preparing for that along with the next venture that's coming after that. I'll tell you more about that after we get through this next race, but I am going to start working with a trainer because my next venture will be specific. And yeah, I don't want to hurt myself being an old 42-year-old woman doing this training. So anyway, I'll tell you more about that. Cliffhanger. And this week I'm also working on a lot of recipes for my gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, home-based bakery with a whole bunch of different recipes. And I gotta make some stuff to kind of finish up on tweaking all of those recipes, and I am excited. I actually made some oat flour waffles. My kids love the pancakes, and I love waffles, so I ended up making a batch, and I made some strawberry maple syrup to go along with it, and my kids freaking love it. I mean, they've already gone through an entire batch, and I've got to make some more. And but it makes me think about with training, you know, as far as running and all of this, because whenever you do longer training sessions and longer races, you do need proper nutrition if you're, you know, going to be running or doing your event that lasts a while. And I don't know how I'm going to do with processed foods because of, you know, my system has gotten used to eating, you know, pretty clean for the most part. And so that's one thing that I look forward to with experimenting as far as recipes are concerned and everything. So I'm going to start working with a trainer next week. Birthday is in 3 weeks, July 4th, 4-mile race. I'm hoping that, you know, I'm going to do better at this next race than I did at the first one. So the first race, I believe my average pace was 11 minutes and 56 seconds per mile. But again, you know, with these races, it's all about finishing is the biggest part for me, and then of course running the entire way. So I'm hoping that I will be able to do that again at this next race. Keep your fingers and toes crossed for me, because July 4th in South Carolina, it's gonna be hot. Like yesterday, it was 100 degrees outside. It was crazy. So anyway, that's how we're looking, and 3 weeks to go. I will see you next week.